Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. You can see it's Friday night. We are at Jackson Dragway and we are out here with the blue car. We are also out here with Speed Addict 731, link in the description below, in his 2015 Guard Metallic 6R80 GT. We are going to be putting these two up against each other. Kim wants to get a baseline before the car goes under the knife, and I need to get some runs in on the blue car to get used to it on how it launches on the new drag radials. Now guys, when I bought this car from Ken, I did pick up the full drag pack with front runners and rear wheels. So, and I went through my buddy Drew at Wengerd Performance. Make sure to link in the description below, and picked up some brand new Mickeys. Picked up some more 305, 45, 17 ET Street R's. Of course, gotta break them in tonight and everything. I gotta get my center caps back on too. But yeah, quick rundown of the car. Tuned E85 Wengerd Performance. Kooks 1 7/8 long tubes with a 3-inch Pypes X-Bomb. That's it. So we're gonna get a good base run tonight on what this car can do with my tail in it. So anyway guys, let's get to the action. .753 at 95, but we'll see if we can do better next go around. See if I can do this without foo bar in it.
Go for it, man.
All right,
I'll help you out.
Of course you will. All right guys, we got the first run in on the blue car. I ain't gonna lie, I suck at doing a line lock again. I gotta get used to everything. But we did get the first run in, and here we go. You can see right there, the blue car ran a 753 at 95.7, and Ken's new car ran an 827 at 86.8. So we'll just call that 87 and we'll call that 96. So I say it's actually pretty good for a bone stock 15 GT with just a set of radials on it. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, it's bone stock.
So
I mean, it's not bad. 93 bone stock, full weight, not bad at all. The California ran California Special before I put the blower on it. I think it ran 830 something.
But like I said guys, there's the first run. There's the first run in right there. I'm gonna probably make one more pass in it. I'm gonna let Cam make an Old Glory pass since he's done asked me to. I almost cut a 1.6.
Wow.
I cut is a 1.73, but I was launching at
754 at 95.
Yeah, it's still.
I mean, it's right there where it was at. Used to be. I mean,
I gotta lose weight to go faster.
hey, I'm right behind you, man.
Ugh. All right, guys, our night got cut short. We're starting to get some sprinkles out here. I was gonna let Ken drive the car, but the rain ruined it for us. But anyway, guys, we're gonna pick this video up back in the morning. Hey guys, it's not the next day, it's Sunday after the track. We had some rain come in. Of course, I had to pull off the radials back on, put the stock wheels back on so we can make a drive. Now guys, we did run a best of 7.5 and 95.7. I'll throw the time slip up here. Now for my 300-pound tail being in this car, it was moving to me. And like I said, this is the first time I've actually had a car that will run dead consistent 7.5s. I've had a car before that would run consistent 8.0, 8.1s, and it is a lot completely different animal. But now they got some other things that are going on. We did, me and Speed Addict Ken, we did make a trip to Daryl up there at Wengerd Performance in Paris yesterday. Picked up his RTD device so we can start doing his build on his 15 Guard Metallic GT. Now guys, if you haven't kept up on his channel, please take a look at his channel. I'll throw a card up here for you to take a look. There's some big things going on, but I'm not going to reveal. I'm going to let him reveal it on the channel and what's going on. But anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up and get in here and help him. But please, if you like this video, consider subscribing, smash that like button. And once again, like I said in my last video, I've made it over 100 subscribers. I appreciate you all. Anyway, guys, have a great day. We'll see you later.